Good morning, guys. This is my source code of my application called Saint Vincent. Uh, um, my application is to help the people of San Vicente West for other informations. This may features barangay official page, ISKI official page, um, um, announcement page, and event page. In barangay official page, this is the navigation route for um, barangay for my features like barangay official page, ISKI official page, announcement page, event event page. In my barangay official page has a background color green and consists of barangay captain and barangay councilors. In my SK official page is just like the barangay officials. Um, they parehas po silang parang parehas din lang po sila. Font size, um, font style, parehas po sila ng kagaya po ng barangay official page. In my announcement page, um, ganun din lang po ang background color niya, pare-paras din lang po. Um, in my barangay official page, may navigation po siyang papunta po siya sa um, power interruption page po. Yun din po. In my power interruption page, andito na po um, yung description and in my event page po, andito na rin po yung paras din lang po sila ng announcement page. Pero ang event page po namin is mas marami po ng features. Una pong features niya is yung Mobile Legend page. Yung Mobile Legend page po natin na at Fun Run page, Miss Gay page, and the Badminton page. The Mobile Legend page is this po. Um, may asset po siyang um, features na pang Mobile Legends, the poster of Mobile Legends, and the descriptions, and fun run, uh, asset fun run, PNG, um, description, font size, paras po sila ng Mobile Legends. Ganun din po sa Miss Gay, asset, description, font size, badminton tournament page, ganun din po sa assets, description, and font size. Paras po silang lahat. This is my user page extends page. Um, Ganun din po for my user informations. And my login page po is here po. My login page that has contain of enter your email or and password and incorrect email password. Assets, yung logo po yung nakalogo po sa taas na um, picture po, yung logo po yan. Ito po yung email and the password. And this is my login button. So, yun po, login button and the text that has don't have an account yet and sign up. For my sign up page naman po, Sign up page is consists of ayun po, yung barangay logo po, name, email, valid email address, phone number. Phone number must be 11 digits. Pag hindi po yan 11 digits, hindi po niya tatanggapin. And the password, yun lamang po. And the confirm password and the sign up button. Um, hanggang dyan na lamang po. Maraming salamat po.